Hi, for those who have minimal Java knowledge, I've created this project in Selenium. So as you can see, when I'll run this project, it will open the browser on its own because the scripts are running in the background. And as you can see, now the browser will open. See, it is already opened and it will go for searching YouTube, and it will in the YouTube it will search my channel, that is the Play Java. So this is the thing which we are going to do in our Selenium project. So in this Selenium project, I am going to explain everything from the start, assuming that the user is having a minimal Java language. So this tutorial will also sound to some users to be a little slow because I am explaining everything, because I found that many of the test script writers generally they have less Java knowledge. So I'm writing everything from the scratch, that is for those who want to learn Selenium. So first I need an ID. ID is where the Java code is written. So this is basically a platform where we write Java code. And second, I will explain the basics of Java, and it will just a basic, that is from where the Java starts and everything. And then I'll create a Java project and I'll provide the configuration of Selenium in that. After that, I'll provide the browser dependency, that is the Chrome dependency, and then I will write Java in Selenium explaining everything, and then I will execute the script. So after this, all of this thing, the user will get to know how the Java works and how the Selenium executes these scripts. So first point was the ID. For that, I am going to download Eclipse ID. For downloading Eclipse ID, just write down download Eclipse ID and click on the first link. So this will open. As you can see here, this has Windows 64-bit and Windows 32-bit. Whatever is your Windows size, just click on that. If it's 64, then go for 64, otherwise 32. And after downloading, Eclipse will open like this. So this is an Eclipse ID only. In this, I'm going to provide basic Java knowledge because this is done, and now I'm going to provide the basic Java knowledge, and I'll create a Java project. So let's go to the Eclipse. Here, go to File and create New. Then you will see lots of options. Go to the Others and go on Java project. This is the Java project, and click on Next. Provide the name of the project. My first Selenium YouTube work. I am using Java 8, so 1.8. Click on Next. This is the default which comes. It has a src folder and all the stuffs are there. Just click on Finish. It will ask for the perspective to be changed. I am click on No. And I want the things to be look like this only. This I have already executed to show you in the start, so I am closing this because I am going to work on this project. As you can see, this is the project. It has all the jars which are provided in Java. So as you can see, Java, the path is from Java only, where in the C directory Java remains. So it has taken the path of that, and this is the default folder, that is the src folder, source folder you can say. In this, I will bundle all my classes in a package. So as you can see, packages are created to group some of the classes in a particular package. So I provided the name as com.sumit.playjava because I am going to write my class in this package, and I will click on the class. When I click on New and go to the class, things will open like this. Here I will provide the name of the class as my first Selenium, and I will click on Finish. Before Finish, let me provide this method, that is public static void main, and I will tell you what it is. This is the class inside this package, and this is the project. This is the project hierarchy. The class, these all the Java jars, these are the folders, and this is the package, and this is a class. So in this my class which I have created, my first Selenium, I am having this method. So whatever are there, we write in this method only. and the signature which we are looking at, public static void main string array and args. This is the main method where everything starts. When you will run this Java project, it will search for this method, that is public static void main. When the method will be having this signature, so Java will start reading everything from here. So everything in Java starts from this method. So we are going to use this method only, and we will going to write our first Selenium project for YouTube in this. So I'll call the system class, which I've already provided, and I'll click on this, and I will just set the property. As you can see, I'll go for, when you'll click on control space after full stop, it will provide all the methods. Then you can select any of the method, like I've selected set property. In the key part, I'm going to tell the system class that I'm going to use Chrome browser. So tell where to execute. So I'm using Chrome here. So I'm using Chrome. So I'll provide the key of the Chrome here only. So I'll provide the key as, the key is for Chrome is webdriver.chrome.driver. So I'll write down webdriver.chrome.driver. So we need the driver now. What driver? To run a Chrome. So for running a Chrome, I'll go to the browser and I'll go to download Chrome driver, and I'll tell you how you can download it. So when you search Chrome driver, you'll get this first link. Click on it and you'll see lots of Chrome driver are there with different versions. You need to know your browser version. So go to the settings, not setting but help, and go to about Google Chrome. And in the here I can find it is 80 point something. So I'll go to again that page. This is the 80 point something. I clicked on it and I've got these drivers. So I'll go for Windows 32. And as you can see, this has already been downloaded in my folder. Here is the path. I've downloaded it here and unzipped it here. So I'll just provide this path in the key of that driver. I've copied it here, and the value I'll provide this driver path along with that driver name. So I'll provide double slash and then go for the driver name of the driver. I'll just copy the whole name and I'll go and paste it here. So I provided to the system that, see system, I'm having this driver, that is the Chrome driver, and you need to find it, this driver. So now we will create a web driver. So that will be done through writing web driver. Let me name it as WD. As you can see, this is giving error. I'll tell you why this is giving error. First, let me write down. So I'll write WD equals new. I'll provide the name as Chrome driver. As you can see, when I'll do control space, Chrome driver is not here. So Chrome driver is also giving error. Why all these are giving error? Because they are provided by Selenium. Selenium Javas are having these classes. So we need to implement Selenium in our project. In this way, we will start with Selenium right now. So I have told you some basics about this Java. I have provided the Eclipse ID, how to download it, everything, and I'm creating this Java project. And now I'm going to provide the Selenium configuration in our project. So we are going step by step. For that, I need to search Selenium Java download. As you can see, this is the first link. When you will click on this, it will go to the Selenium dev. And as you can scroll down, you can see this is a Java. We need Java. For Java, we need Selenium. And when you click on download, it will download the jars. I have already downloaded. These are here. Add the lib and out of that. To configure Selenium in Java project, right click on it, go to the build path and click on configure build path. It will go to the library. If it's in some other, click on library, it will be there. And I'll click on add external jars, and I'll go to the Selenium folder. I'll provide the jars here. Again, I'll click on add external jars, go to zip, and provide these jars also. So whatever jars are there in the Selenium extract, I provide all the jars here. And first, let me go and refresh this project. So I'll click on this, right click on it, and refresh. Now when I'll point my pointer to here, see import is provided. It is coming from Selenium, and the jars are in this reference libraries. And I'll go to Chrome driver. I'll import this also. This is also coming from Selenium. So these classes are provided from Selenium jars, come from Selenium jars. So we have provided the system property as web.chrome.driver. This is nothing but a Chrome driver. So in the web driver, I provide the name as Chrome driver, and it will automatically get the property from the system. So now I will call a URL. Since Chrome driver will open my Chrome, after opening the Chrome, I will provide the URL in the Chrome. For that, I need to provide URL to the driver. We will do this by providing webdriver dot get, and in this get method I'll provide the URL. So here just provide the URL here. So what is the URL? URL is the whole thing, not only from www but from HTTPS. For that I'll go to YouTube and right click on it and copy. When I will paste this, it will automatically come everything, that is from HTTPS to com, https www.youtube.com. This is the complete URL. So in this WebDriver, that is a Chrome driver, it will open Chrome through WebDriver and it will go to get youtube.com. So till now we have provided the WebDriver. Now after opening this WebDriver, that is after opening the YouTube, it will search for that element which has a search box, and it will get that element from that YouTube page. So to get element from YouTube and search in the element, we need to get a web element. So I am going to provide web element. Let me name it as we equals web driver, that is the Chrome which it has opened with YouTube. Provide me that element in the YouTube by, and now the trick comes. By what? So I will go to the youtube.com and I will inspect on this search box, right click on it and click on inspect. And after inspect, you can see this is giving the code of this inspect. If you are not getting this, click on this arrow and click on this search box. As you can see, it is an input type field and it has name as search query. So I will search by name with this name as search query. So find element by name, and in this name I'll provide the search query which is the name of that element. Let me show you by name as search query, name here as search query. So in this way we can get this search element, that is, this is the search box of YouTube. And in this web element, that is in the search box of YouTube, I am going to provide some text. So provide data in the web element, that is the search box. So search element will search that data which I am going to provide here. So this is the web element we dot send keys. Send keys basically we are used to provide the string in that. Let me just provide you some larger text so it will be more visible to you. Go to general appearance color and go to text font and click on text font. In this ID, that is Eclipse ID, it will provide the options to increase style and size. So let me click on 14. So text will be bigger now. Now everything is okay. So when we are going for we, that is the web element, we have found the web element to WebDriver, and now we are sending that the whatever we are going to search in that web element. So in this web element I am going to search my channel, that is Play Java, and after writing Play Java in that search box I will just click on submit. So I will click on that search box by calling the function submit. Click submit from this element. So I will write we dot submit. So in this way we provide the Google Chrome, and Google Chrome will open, and after the Chrome opens it will go to get the YouTube, that is this URL, and after opening YouTube page when it gets open, it will search by name an element, and it will provide the name as Play Java in the search box, and finally it will search. So let me rectify this error, semicolon was left. Now click on save, everything is fine now. So I have provided the Selenium dependency, also I provided the Chrome and Chrome webdriver I provided. I have also written code with Java and Selenium, and now I am going to execute the script. For that, what I will click on this, right click, run as Java application. So this is the moment for which we are waiting. So our code has started, and it will first open the webdriver, that is Chrome driver, and it will search for YouTube. Yes, it has started searching, and now it has gone to the YouTube, and it will search that element, and that element it will provide the Play Java. See, it will search the element and provide the Play Java, and it has already searched that. So now my channel is coming. So in this way we have executed our first script without much knowledge in Java. Just with the basic language knowledge we have executed our first Selenium. You can enhance your Java also. After enhancing Java you can write much more better code in Selenium. So we have executed our script with minimum Java knowledge. I will provide more and more tutorial on it. So thank you all